They say time is always meant to heal the fall. Tell me why it doesn't seem to help at all. You're okay. I'm here trying to pick the pieces up.
Hoy nos reunimos aquí en este lugar para llevar a cabo algo maravilloso que Dios estableció como el matrimonio.
I'm trying to be who I once was, missing parts of me, all because I lost myself in loving you, became someone else. I never knew I was there when you needed saving.
El matrimonio poco a poco va generando esa conversión, el amor se va perfeccionando y como el buen vino, entre más tiempo, mejor.
Yo, Cristian Rodríguez, de acuerdo a la palabra de Dios, te tomo a ti, Sandra como mi esposa, para amarte el resto de mis días.
Te amaba como novia tiernamente y te continuaré amándote como esposa siempre.
Became someone else I never knew. I lost myself in loving you, became someone else I never knew I was there when you needed saving, but you wouldn't do the same thing. I lost myself, I lost myself in loving you.